Hey guys, what's going on? It's me, Yassine, and when you're a content creator, whether you make YouTube videos or you're just a photographer, then you tend to go through a lot of storage, and that's a problem that I faced recently. I used up all the space on my MacBook Pro, so I was in the market to get a portable hard drive or SSD, and I decided to go with the Samsung T5. And I just want to tell you guys why I chose this one and the way that I use it. So the reason I went with this particular drive is because of its design and portability. It's made out of some type of aluminum and it feels really good in the hands, and it's sleek and it curves all around the sides, and it's really small and portable. And that was a big selling point for me because I'm out and about editing with my MacBook everywhere, that when I take this with me, then I don't even sometimes notice that I have it with me because it's so small. I can fit it inside a jacket pocket, or I can even fit it inside my jeans. And there's only one input on this portable hard drive, and that's a USB-C drive. And that's really convenient if you have the new MacBooks with the USB-C. So you only have to carry one cable, and actually you can just use the charging cable from your MacBook if you're out and about, plug into your computer if you don't need to charge, and that's really convenient for me. So this portable hard drive comes in two different colors. You have the blue one, which is the one I have, and that comes in a 250 gigabyte size or a 500 gigabyte size. And then you have the black one that comes in 1 terabyte or 2 terabytes. I'll leave links in the description so you guys can see the most relevant prices right now. But I believe the one I have, which is the 500 gig hard drive, is going on sale right now on Amazon for about $159, which is a lot less than I paid for. So it's really a good time to pick one up if you're in the market for it. So another reason that I went with this particular hard drive is because of its reliability and its speed. These hard drives have been around for a really long time. There was the T3 before this, and now there's the T5, and they're really fast. If you run it through Blackmagic, you'll see that it's really fast, but even running it through a project of mine, which usually is about 10 to 20 gigs, then you can see that it transfers files really fast, which honestly may not seem a lot, but when you are cutting those many minutes or seconds from your editing process or from your video making process, then those add up in the big scheme of over a year or a couple of years. So those were the reasons why I went with the Samsung T5, because it's portable, it's built well, and it's really fast. I actually carry my whole Final Cut Pro library in this little guy right here, and then I can edit on multiple different computers, and I don't have to worry about missing files or having to make copies for each computer. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions about the Samsung T5 drive or the way I use it and my workflow, then definitely leave me a comment right below that like button. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, stay plugged.